Hello kids, colors name. Kids, let's learn to fruits name. Kids, this is color pen, beautiful color. Kids, first color, brown color, pink color, blue color, green color, orange color, light green color, red color, light pink color, sky blue color, and yellow color. Kids, fruits name. M A N G O. Mango. Mango means arm. B A N A N A. Banana. Banana means Kela. P A P A Y A. Papaya. Papaya means Papita. W A T E R M E L O N. Watermelon. Watermelon means Tarbooj. P I N E A double P L E. Pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Mango means banana. Banana means Kela. Papaya. Papaya means Papita. Watermelon. Watermelon means Tarbooj. Pineapple. Pineapple means ananas. Yes, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.